important concept here, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. What is the meaning of complementary angles? Complementary angles means complementary angles. What is the meaning of this one? Means if the sum of any two angles, if the sum of two angles, if the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then they are complementary angles. Complementary angles. Okay. Now, trigonometric ratios on the complementary angles. Now, what is the meaning of this one? Means suppose this is a right angle triangle. You know, I am drawing one right angle triangle. Here angle I am taking 90 degrees. This opposite to 90 degrees, this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay. Now I am taking one angle here. Angle is theta. This is theta. You know, suppose this is I am taking A, B, C. We know what you know. We know angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Sum of interior angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, implies angle A we don't know plus angle B 90 degrees plus angle C theta is equal to 180 degrees. Implies angle A is equal to 180 degrees plus 90 I am taking this side minus 90 plus theta I am taking this side minus theta. Implies angle A is equal to 180 minus 90, 90 minus theta. So here angle A is equal to this, how much you got means 90 minus theta. Now you see, if you add these two angles, 90 minus theta and theta, 90 minus theta plus theta, if you add minus theta plus theta cancel, is equal to 90 degrees. Means these sum of two angles is nothing but 90 degrees you are getting. These are the complementary angles. That is the meaning. Okay. Now trigonometric ratios of complementary angles means what is the meaning? Sine of 90 minus theta. Based on 90 minus theta, sine value is how much? Cos value. All trigonometric ratios means cos of 90 minus theta, tan of 90 minus theta. Like this, all values we should find. That is nothing but trigonometric ratios. These are the trigonometric ratios of what? Complementary angles means 90 minus theta, based on 90 minus theta. Okay. Sine of 90 minus theta is equal to, according to the ratio, sine of 90 minus theta means opposite to 90 minus theta by hypotenuse. Shortcut I am writing. Okay, now you see, according to 90 minus theta, this is the opposite to 90 minus theta. This side. Already this is hypotenuse. This 90 minus theta is touching to this side. This is adjacent. Adjacent to 90 minus theta. Now according to theta, this is theta. According to theta, this is nothing but opposite to theta. Opposite to theta. This is touching to this side, this is adjacent to theta. Means what? According to 90 minus theta I am writing the sides. According to theta also I am writing the sides. Okay, now opposite to 90 minus theta, opposite to 90 minus theta is BC is equal to BC by hypotenuse means hypotenuse only, no change. According to theta, hypotenuse is this only. According to 90 minus theta also, hypotenuse is same only. So I am writing like that only. Now this is equal to, you see here. BC. BC is another name. This is opposite to 90. Another name is adjacent to theta. Adjacent to theta by hypotenuse. But you know, adjacent to theta, according to right angle triangle, suppose this is one right angle triangle, only based on this is 90 degrees, this is hypotenuse, this is my theta, this is opposite to theta, this is adjacent to theta, opposite to theta by hypotenuse sin theta, this is adjacent to theta by hypotenuse is cos theta. Adjacent to theta by hypotenuse means what? Cos, my angle is here theta. Therefore, what you understood with this? Sin of 90 minus theta is equal to how much means you should take, you should tell me cos theta. So, sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Like that only cos of 90 minus theta now. I am removing this one. See here. Now second value I am finding. This is first value, you got the answer here. This is second value, this is third value. Now second one, cos of 90 minus theta. According to the definition, cos means adjacent to by hypotenuse. Means adjacent to 90 minus theta by hypotenuse is equal to adjacent to 90 minus theta, adjacent to 90 minus theta, AB by hypotenuse, like that only, is equal to AB's another name is opposite to theta, opposite to theta by hypotenuse. But you know, opposite to theta by hypotenuse is nothing but sin theta. Means here cos of 90 minus theta is equal to opposite to theta by hypotenuse is nothing but sin theta. Means this is the second one. Therefore, cos of 90 minus theta how much means you should tell sin theta. Next is my third ratio, tan of 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 minus theta is equal to, what is the ratio? Tan means what? Opposite by adjacent. Means according to 90 minus theta, opposite to 90 minus theta by adjacent to 90 minus theta. This is equal to opposite to 90 minus theta. Where is that? Opposite to 90 minus theta, another name is what? Adjacent to theta. Adjacent to theta by adjacent to 90 minus theta, another name is what? Opposite to theta. Opposite to theta. This is equal to, but you know, adjacent by opposite means what? Cot theta. So this is cot theta. Therefore, tan of 90 minus theta's value is how much means here? Cot theta. Fourth one, cosec of 90 minus theta. Cosecant of 90 minus theta or cosec of 90 minus theta. According to the ratio, cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse by this is opposite. You know, hypotenuse by opposite to, our angle is 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. This is equal to, hypotenuse means hypotenuse by opposite to 90 minus theta. Here you see 90 minus theta, opposite to 90 minus theta. Another name is what? This one? Adjacent to theta. Adjacent to theta. this is equal to, but you know hypotenuse by adjacent is equal to what? Opposite by adjacent by hypotenuse means cos theta. Now hypotenuse by adjacent means what? Sec theta. Sec, our angle is theta. Therefore, cosec of 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. This is my fourth complementary angle. Number 5. Sec of 90 minus theta. Sec's ratio is what? Hypotenuse by adjacent to 90 minus theta. This is the ratio. You know, hypotenuse by adjacent. Here you see, hypotenuse by adjacent, sec. Sec means that this is equal to, hypotenuse means hypotenuse by adjacent. Go to 90 minus theta is adjacent. Adjacent to 90 minus theta, another name is opposite to theta. Opposite to theta. Hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite means cosec theta. Cosec theta. Therefore, sec of 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. This is my fifth formula. Next is sixth one. Cot of 90 minus theta. Cot's ratio is what? Adjacent by opposite. Means adjacent to 90 minus theta by opposite to 90 minus theta. Why? Because our ratio is this one. Our angle is 90 minus theta. So this is equal to adjacent to 90 minus theta. Another name is opposite to theta. Opposite to theta. And opposite to 90 minus theta. Adjacent to theta. Adjacent to theta. This is equal to, opposite by adjacent is nothing but tan theta. Tan theta. Angle is theta. Therefore, cot of 90 minus theta is equal to how much? Means tan theta. Means, so these are the 6 complementary angles with trigonometric ratios. Therefore, finally what you got here? Finally, how many answers? Now I am writing this one, I am removing this one. Sine of, first one, sine of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. First one. Second one, cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Number 3, tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. You got this one. Fourth one here. Cosec of 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Next is secant of 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Sixth one, cot of 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. These are called 6 trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios: sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Complementary: 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta. Angles. These are the angles. So sin will changes to cos, cos will changes to sin, tan will changes to cot, cot will changes to tan, cosec will changes to sec, sec will changes to cosec.